Okay. Sa buhay, hindi lahat pantay-pantay. May mas mataas sa'yo or mas hihigit pa sa'yo. And sa math, mas makikita natin yan with the use of our inequality symbols. So here we will talk about the 4 symbols, the inequality symbols or signs. We have the greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. And we will use that in our quadratic inequality. Pag sinabi natin quadratic, nasa exponent siya na 2. Just like 2x squared, 4x squared, 3x squared. Laging may exponent na 2. And then, inequality. So we have 4 forms if we are going to talk about the quadratic inequality. So we have the ax squared plus bx plus c. That is the standard form or the general form of quadratic equation. And then, we will put the inequality symbol to make it a quadratic inequality. And then, we have the ax squared plus bx plus c. The next inequality sign is the less than. For the third is we have the greater than or equal to, and then less than or equal to. So, those are the 4 forms that we are going to use or we are going to encounter in this topic. But then, I will just give one example for this using the greater than symbol or sign. So, how are we going to solve the quadratic inequality? First step, we are going to change the inequality sign into an equal sign. So, ibig sabihin dyan sa example natin na x squared minus 5x plus 6 is greater than 0. Ang inequality sign dyan is yung greater than. So, what are we going to do? We are going to change the greater than symbol into an equal sign. So, ito ay magiging x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Second step, factor yung napalitan na symbol. So, we are going to factor x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So, we all know that the factor of our first term is x times x. And then, we have the factors for our third term. We have 3 and 2, and then 6 and 1. So, as you can see, the second term, we have a negative symbol. And then, for the third term, we have the positive. So, we all know in integers that negative times negative, it is positive. And negative plus negative, it is negative. So, both of these are negative. So, what are the factors of 6? It is 3 and then 2. The third step is we're going to set each factor equal to 0. So, ang x minus 3, i-equate natin sa 0. Same with x minus 2 is equal to 0. And then, we're going to solve for x. X minus 3 is equal to 0. Ang x nito is equal to 3. Here, x is equal to 2. And then, the last step is we're going to test the given values or the values na nakuha natin, which are positive 3 and then positive 2. So, substitute lang natin yan sa ating given equation to prove if the quadratic inequality is true. So, write the given equation wherein x, unahin natin yung 3. So, substitute natin. Lahat ng x, papalitan natin ng 3. 3 squared minus 5 times 3 plus 3 is greater than 0. 3 squared, that is 9. Minus negative 5 times 3, negative 15 plus 6 is greater than 0. Negative 9 minus 15, that is 6. Negative 6 plus 6 is greater than 0. So, negative 6 plus 6, that is 0. 0 is greater than 0. Is it true or not? It is not. So this one is false. The statement or the quadratic inequality will be false if the given value or the value of x is 3. How about if it is the value of x is equal to 2? Is equal to 2. Substitute natin. So, 2 squared minus 5 times 2 plus 6 is greater than 0. 2 times 2, that is 4, minus 10 plus 6 is greater than 0. So, ito ay negative 6 plus 6 is greater than 0. So, what does this mean? So, the given inequality having a value of 2 as x, this is false.